Greetings, friends. In my quest to become a beastly YouTuber, I have been experimenting with a free AI program called Playground AI, while also studying the lore of your world in an attempt to learn about your world's history. I stumbled across a character named Ultron from a popular comic book and movie series. I copied a picture of this villainous monstrosity that I found while searching your world's modern library of Alexandria, the internet, and plugged it into Playground AI's start design from image option. Much to my surprise, it produced an image of a beastly mighty warrior with a magnificent magical sword sitting near an octopus monster of some sort in a very menacing-looking environment to do battle. I would like to find your world's great warrior Leroy Jenkins, and the two of us go join this knight with the majestic magical sword about to do battle with the beast if he is real in the multiverse somewhere. Alas, life is not all battles against villainous beasts and creatures of darkness. My main reason for creating this video today is to show you how to create pictures of brave knights battling octopus monsters with Playground AI yourself if you want to do a project, if you simply want to experiment with a unique AI program, or you are joining me on my quest to become a mighty beastly YouTuber and grow rich together. After I produce the image of the feisty-looking swordsman with the radiant magical sword who seems completely unconcerned with the gigantic sea beast behind him with Playground AI, I plugged the image to a second free AI program called Kling AI. I used their image-to-video feature to create this unique video here. I must say I am greatly impressed that this is a free AI program. Your world's wizards are more cunning than I had imagined already. All as I did was tell Kling AI to keep the camera still, make the knight's sword glow with radiant magical energy, and make several bolts of lightning come down from the sky and strike the octopus monster's tentacles behind the knight, and turn the tentacles into ash, and have the ashes blow away in the wind. The AI seems to have completely ignored my request to have the lightning annihilate the sea beast. Interesting, don't you think? Regardless of that, and whether or not a malevolent AI demon is lurking in the programming of the AI, I experimented with Playground AI's two options for content creation, both the Create from Image and Start from Template options, to create a stunning array of unique scenes and images as a complete novice to AI. You can give it suggestions and changes to images, have the AI retry the original instructions, and fiddle with it to overtime to generally create almost anything you can imagine. Here are some images I was able to generate recently as a complete newbie to AI. In my next video, I'm going to share one technique I learned about recently on how to make money online with AI. I don't want to give it away here, but I'm going to do it as an experiment, so you can follow along and copy me if you want to join me on my adventure. Lastly, I'll leave you with this majestic scene I created by using an image from Playground with Kling of my two cats being friends, while a magical bluebird with two sets of wings flies through my castle and office. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed my video and want to be a part of my adventure. May the grand architect of the universe smile on you in battle, and may your heart always be true and courageous. Until next time, my friends, Thor out.